The teaser for the upcoming Marvel show WandaVision just dropped and we couldn't have been more excited. The trailer is something we have never seen Marvel do and it has left all fans wanting more. Also, the plot and storyline is currently kept under wraps, with the teaser only suggesting that the show will have some sitcom inspired scenes. Here is us bringing to you what we know of the upcoming show on Disney+. First, the show will release most likely in December of 2020 on Disney+ globally and effectively kick off Marvel's Phase 4 of the cinematic universe. It is produced by the team that bought the Marvel movies and would tie in nicely to the films. Marvel TV, who bought the well-liked Daredevil and the Defender series along with Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., will not be a part of the show. Second, in total there would be 6 episodes in the WandaVision series. As of now, we are not sure if it is a limited series or will have subsequent seasons. Third, each episode is rumored to be made at a budget of 25 million USD, which amounts to a whopping Rs 175 crore per episode. For the 6 episodes, that is approximately 1050 plus crore rupees. The trailer does not reveal where most of the money is spent on, but a guess is that big action sets will be revealed in the next trailer or will be left for fans to enjoy, given the show has the remarkable goodwill of Marvel and its characters. The fourth thing that we know is that the show takes place post the events of Avengers Endgame, and by the looks of it, seems like Wanda may have been kept at a facility to protect her or for someone to use her. It would be interesting to see where this may lead. Is Wanda self-confining herself, or is she confined against her will? The fifth thing that we know is there's a shot of the leads examining things around them. So maybe the confinement theory to some capacity can be correct. Sixth, Vision is dead in the last Avengers, but in the teaser we can see his Mind Stone again. Chances are that he was brought back to life using the Mind Stone, maybe in Wakanda. Else, the whole TV show might be an imagination of Wanda. We will have to wait and see. Seventh, this show could be the beginning of the multiverse that MCU may start exploring. In the DC universe, it has already been confirmed that the upcoming Flash movie may revolve around Flashpoint and the multiverse. We have already 2 Batman returning. Wanda may be the key to the multiverse in Marvel. 8. Wanda is set to reprise her role and play an important role in the upcoming Doctor Strange sequel, Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. While touted as a horror flick, the WandaVision series could nicely tie into the upcoming Doctor Strange flick. And Wanda, just as mentioned before, could be the key to the multiverse. A rumored appearance of Doctor Strange is also expected in the WandaVision TV show. Let's wait and see. The ninth thing that we know is that we will have characters from other Marvel movies appearing in this series. While they were not shown in the teaser, we have a grown-up Monica Rambeau from Captain Marvel, Darcy Lewis from the Thor films, and Jimmy Woo from Ant-Man and the Wasp playing some role in the show. How they tie into the show is something interesting and something that we will have to wait and watch. Finally, the show is directed by Matt Shakman, who has made a name for himself in directing TV episodes. He has helmed episodes for Game of Thrones, Succession, The Good Wife, The Boys, to name a few. Given his experience, we can expect the WandaVision show to be an entertaining fare. Hope you're excited for the show as much as we are. Do add in your comments below on what you think your theories are. And thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.